Hi guys, how to download EA Sports FC 25 on PC. Now open your web browser, search for Steam, and go to the official Steam website. Then use the search bar at the top right of the Steam store to find EA Sports FC 25. This first step is quick, but don't skip the next one or you'll waste your money. Scroll down on the game's official page to the system requirements section. Here's the mistake most people make. Verify that your PC has the necessary RAM, processor, and graphics card before buying. Trust me, this step saves you from crashes and refund headaches later. Once confirmed, click the Add it to Cart button. Keep watching. If you don't have a Steam account yet, you'll need to create a new one to continue. It only takes 2 minutes, but use a real email address for verification. Go to your cart and proceed to the payment page. After your purchase is complete, the game will automatically appear in your Steam library, ready to download and install. Hit subscribe for more gaming setup tips and comment below if you want me to show you the best graphics settings for smooth gameplay.